The Nigerian Communications Satellite Limited NICOMSAT is partnering an indigenous television service provider, Next TV, to bring affordable satellite television to Nigerians. Minister of Communication Adebayo Shitu, who inaugurated the partnership, emphasized the need for a shift from the belittling trend of having most Nigerian entities patronizing foreign companies when NICOMSAT does exactly what other similar companies are doing elsewhere. Justin Bem Unyi reports.
Relatedly, when fully operational, Executive Order 5 would have attained dominance. This initiative is coming to solve the quest to fully harness the inherent technological prowess indigent in Nigeria. Next TV platform is a joint venture between Indigenous International, NICOMSAT, and China Great Wall Industry Corporation. And the Minister of Communication is pleased with the collaboration, as it will not only promote local content but enhance competitiveness. He has urged Nigerians to embrace the direct-to-home platform.
That the investment and patronage of companies like DSTV and others, Next Television, in collaboration with NICOMSAT, will do it better and cheaper. This partnership will produce about 1.5 million set-top boxes. In doing that, you know that many more Nigerians will get jobs to do. That is better than these set-top boxes being produced overseas.
Using what we have, the facility that we have, to partner with the private sector, bringing in its own strength, finance, content, and commercial strength to work with us to improve IGR for government.
The most important is the digital divide. Right now, the grassroots have been left behind. We're bringing satellite communication, broadband connectivity, and bridging the digital divide for Africans.
NICOMSAT is providing the transponders for the use of Next TV, and NIGOS brings the total investment capital as China Great Wall Industry Corporation provides the uplink equipment as well as the backup satellite. In Abuja, Justin Bem Unyi, NTA News.